Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat. Something went wrong, please try again later. Support code C14A. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this issue, and if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to Snapchat and then try to use your app. So after using the app, the problem arises, something went wrong, please try again later. So what you need to do is just go to your profile and then go to settings. From here, go up and down and where you can find clear cache. Just go over here and then press on continue, and then your cache memory will be cleared. And then from here, just go to your phone settings and then go to apps, and from there go to Snapchat like this. And from here, what you need to do is go to storage and then clear cache from here, as well as manage space, and then delete the app data from here, and then try to log into your Snapchat again, try to use it, your problem will be fixed. So that's all guys, that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.